Saul, a devout Pharisee, breathed fury. His heart pounded with righteous anger. He despised the followers of the Nazarene, these Christians. Their beliefs were heresy. He would crush them, eradicate their dangerous teachings. They were a plague, and he, the cure. Saul traveled to Damascus, armed with authority and rage. He envisioned the arrests, the fear in their eyes. His resolve hardened with every step. He would cleanse the world of this dangerous sect, even if it meant their blood stained his hands. His faith demanded it. His heart throbbed, a drumbeat of righteous fury. This was his mission, his purpose. He would not waver, not for a moment. He was the hammer of God, and the Christians, the anvil, he would shatter them. The sun beat down on the Damascus road. The air shimmered with heat. Saul marched onward, his entourage trailing behind. His eyes burned with a fierce light, his mind ablaze with plans of persecution. He would show no mercy. The journey was long, the sun relentless. But Saul felt no fatigue, only a burning zeal. He dreamt of confrontations, of arguments crushed under the weight of his faith. He would be a hero, a defender of the true God. A strange anticipation prickled at the edge of his thoughts. Damascus awaited, and with it, the fulfillment of his righteous duty. His heart pounded with anticipation. Soon the Nazarene's followers would tremble before him. The earth shuddered. Light, impossibly bright, engulfed Saul. He shielded his eyes, crying out in shock and pain. The world dissolved into a blinding white void. His senses reeled, his body slammed to the ground. Fear, cold and sharp, pierced his heart. A voice, like thunder yet intimate, echoed in his mind. "Saul, Saul, why do you persecute me?" The words pierced him, filled with sorrow and a power beyond comprehension. He knew that voice, yet could not place it. Terror squeezed his chest, stealing his breath. Blinded and shaking, Saul stammered, "Who are you, Lord?" The voice boomed. "I am Jesus, whom you are persecuting." The world spun, reality fracturing. The light faded, leaving Saul trembling in darkness. Fear replaced by confusion and a dawning awe. Blind, Saul was led to Damascus. He saw nothing, yet felt everything. The world, once so clear, now a swirling fog of doubt and wonder. His anger had vanished, replaced by a chilling emptiness. The voice, the light, the question, it echoed in his soul. Days passed in darkness. Saul, once so sure, grappled with the revelation. The Nazarene, the one he persecuted, was the Lord? The thought was absurd, impossible. Yet it resonated with a terrifying truth. His world crumbled, his beliefs shattered. Then, a gentle touch, a voice whispering his name. His sight returned, but the world was transformed. He saw love where there was hate, forgiveness where there was anger. His purpose now lay not in destruction, but in construction. His mission to spread the word of the very one he had sought to silence. He was Paul now, a vessel reborn, his heart overflowing with the love of Christ. He would preach his name, even unto death.